In this video, I'll show you how to remove someone from Facebook Business Manager step by step. If a team member or partner no longer needs access to your business assets, you can remove them in just a few clicks. First, open your web browser and sign in to Meta Business Suite with an account that has admin access. Next, click Settings, then open Business Settings. In the left menu, click Users, then select People. You'll see a list of everyone who has access to your business manager. Click on the name of the person you want to remove. Review their assigned pages, add accounts, and other business assets if needed. Then click the Remove button. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to remove this person. Click Remove again to confirm. They will immediately lose access to all business assets assigned through your business manager. If you only want to change their permissions instead of removing them completely, you can edit their access from the same screen. That's how you can remove someone from Facebook Business Manager. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.